Hello and welcome to Feast One's Eyes on Goodies. Heat pump jargon. This short guide will help you navigate through the complex world of heat pumps and the names given to them. Pause the screen as you go through this, it might help. Air to water heat pump. Ground source heat pump. Water source heat pump. Hybrid heat pumps. High temperature heat pump. What is COP? What is a good rating for COP? Cycling in a heat pump. Defrost cycle. Compressor. Condenser. DX direct expansion. Heat exchanger. Variable speed drives inverter. What is a kilowatt? What is a kilowatt hour? Tips for settings for your heat pump. What is the best flow temperature? Set back temperature. What are microbore pipes? Third party pump. What is a TVR? Balancing a central heating system. Flushing a central heating system. Cold weather and heat pumps. I hope this short video has helped you navigate through the world of heat pumps. Please remember that on my channel I do lots of reviews, so keep an eye open for these. It would also help my channel immensely if you liked and subscribed. Thank you and goodbye. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.